Hi, welcome to this beautiful home. Let's take you on a virtual journey through spaces that are thoughtfully planned for modern, everyday living. We start in the living room, where modern design meets everyday comfort. The neutral color palette, layered lighting, and gold-accented wall details add depth without overpowering the space. Soft furnishings and carefully chosen textures make this area feel warm, balanced, and inviting. This open parallel kitchen is designed to feel spacious and easy to move through. The placement of the cooking, washing, and storage zones ensures smooth functionality for daily use. A breakfast counter subtly defines the space while keeping the layout open and connected to the rest of the home. The dining area makes an elegant statement with its flowing feature wall and gold accents. Upholstered chairs with subtle detailing add comfort while maintaining a refined look. Warm pendant and ceiling lighting work together to create a cozy yet sophisticated dining experience. Designed as a relaxed family space, this area focuses on comfort and personal connection. Wooden flooring, soft furnishings, and gentle lighting create a calm and welcoming environment. The spiritual wall decor and family photo display add character and emotional warmth. The master bedroom follows a soothing palette with wooden floors and soft green tones. A geometric accent wall adds visual interest while keeping the overall look calm and understated. The vanity area is both practical and elegant, offering ample storage without cluttering the space. The foyer sets the tone for the home with a serene and composed design. A Buddha focal point, textured wall finishes, and soft lighting create a sense of calm right at the entrance. The lattice partition adds privacy while still keeping the space visually light. Every space in this home is designed with clarity, balance, and purpose. A home that looks refined, functions seamlessly, and feels right for everyday living.